In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to Arculus wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any crypto asset from your Uphold account to your Arculus wallet. This will be done by acquiring the receiving address from Arculus and then using the transfer function within Uphold. So to start, open Arculus and you will have all of your assets here. If needed, choose the option to manage assets at the bottom and add a specific one that you will be sending over. So make sure that you have the particular asset that you want already added onto your Arculus wallet. You can enable or disable them by toggling this switch here. So once you have a specific asset, tap on it. You will be able to see how much you have on your account and then the option to send and receive. In here, because we want to send from another exchange to Arculus, choose the option to receive. Immediately upon choosing receive, you will be given the QR code that you can scan to make this transfer or the actual wallet address. So copy the wallet address or get ready to scan the QR code using another device. Now, within Uphold, use the transact option at the bottom. After you sign into your account, choose the specific asset or network that you will be using. And finally, on the option to send here, you will find your contacts. All that you have to do now is tap the plus sign and choose the option to send it to a wallet address. So upon tapping the plus sign, you will be given the option to enter the wallet address. This is going to be the wallet address that you copied from Arculus when you chose the option to receive the crypto asset. Afterwards, be aware of any included fees and you can initiate the transfers from Uphold. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was properly set up, and if it goes through, then you can send the rest. As long as you chose the proper crypto asset between both of these wallets, it is going to be transferred without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Uphold to Arculus wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.